So to create this creepy breath sound effect, we recorded a bunch of samples of me exhaling. And as I was recording these, you guys probably saw in the video that I moved my head from left to right or right to left, depending on which sample I was recording. This is so whenever I put all the samples together, they get this weird kind of like right-left phasing effect to them. I did help them out a little bit by pushing this sample here on the top a little to the right, and this one on the bottom here a little bit to the left. Now the first sample I wanted to be the longest because I wanted it to drag through the entire sound effect, but at the same time I wanted to be able to tell that it was a breath, crystal clear. So when applying reverb, I kept things modest. We have a decay of 1.1 seconds, and we have our wet levels at 50%. Which is high, but considering our decay is only 1.1 seconds, it comes together pretty well and you can still tell that it's a breath. Now for our second sample, we have like a higher pitch, more abrupt breath, I would say. I added this in to give the sound a little more impact. Near the end of the full exhale, I really wanted the sound to brighten up, so I took this sample and applied an EQ and boosted the high frequencies a little bit. This sample also has the most amount of reverb on it, but you can see that I have our wet levels all the way down at 18%, but we have our decay at 6.4 seconds. Again, I didn't want the breaths to become overwhelmed and drowned in reverb, because you still want to be able to identify them. Now, our third and final exhale in this sound effect, I used entirely for impact. You can see in the EQ that I applied that I filtered out all the high frequencies and boosted the bass, so you get this really nice rumble that rolls off at the end of the breath. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this sound, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe if you want to get updates.